Hello guys, exploring a new city is always more fun when you understand its history and culture, and WeGoTrip makes it possible with affordable audio tours and attraction tickets. With WeGoTrip, you can download self-guided audio tours created by local experts and explore at your own pace. How do you save? First of all, use the referral link in your description. You'll often find exclusive discounts on tours and attraction passes. Another tip is to bundle tickets with tours on their platform. WeGoTrip sometimes offer package deals that are cheaper than buying separately. Now, let's talk about features. WeGoTrip is all about flexibility. Their tours work entirely offline, so you don't need mobile data once you download them. They cover popular attractions like museums, landmarks, and city walking routes in over 100 destinations worldwide. On top of that, you can also book skip the line attraction tickets directly on the site, saving both time and money. So, if you want to travel like a local at your own pace and still save money, don't forget to use the description link to unlock additional discounts on WeGoTrip. And also, guys, as you can see, the platform is really user friendly. So once you click the link and make the access to the website, take some time to check different destinations from the city, from the general location or your needs, because there are actually a lot of different and nice city like attractions that maybe you didn't even know before.